It was a welcome to spring not many will forget. Blizzards meant blackouts in the Isle of Arran. Jersey shivered in snowdrifts, and planes at Gatwick were grounded. All this in the second coldest March since records began.
There's no sand on this holiday, just snow.
It's left April with some confusing pictures. The buckets and spades are out, but it's not been the holiday the Yeldhams expected when they left Cambridge 2 days ago.
We were hoping for sunshine, yeah.
And all you've got is bobbly hats?
Bobbly hats that I've had on most of the weekend, yes.
The water's been frozen.
They're very cold. About -1, -2. I mean, it's been obviously nice in here because we've got the heating on, but I've spent most of the time in the caravan.
But this caravan park should be packed at this time of year.
Orders for Easter, nothing, absolutely nothing.
And Easter, they'd rather forget.
You can't expect people to come all this way and then they can't get on the site. Then people haven't rung up because the weather's so bad, so they're not going to want to camp, are they?
Fed up?
Absolutely, totally fed up.
How much have you lost?
Thousands.
The last time it snowed heavily here was 10 days ago, and we've still got all of this. The problem is the freezing temperatures, and until the weather warms up, the snow isn't going anywhere.
The worst weather for 50 years brought snow.
You have to go back to March 1947 to find freezing temperatures to match this year's. Back then, there was also a fuel crisis and floods. At the time, Alan Baton was only 2. He's now a pensioner, spending more than £100 a week on gas just to keep warm. If you only had your state pension, what would happen to you?
I couldn't survive on my state pension.
Do you think pensioners have been forgotten in this freeze?
Absolutely. They have. They gave us £200 as cold winter payments, and what does it last me? It lasted me a month.
The freeze is affecting some, but many are now asking the same question. When will it end? Today, there are signs the thaw is on the way.